Hey, Chef Perry here again from ChefPerryPerkins.com and the My Kitchen Outreach Program. I'm a third-generation chef, culinary instructor, and author of the Home Chef series, and I'm here to help you create amazing, simple, and affordable dishes for your family. My old pal Amber asked me about this recipe, so I thought I'd put together a quick how-to video in her honor. Hi, Amber. My dad was an avid Pacific Northwest fisherman, and this was one of his favorite dishes. By the way, I apologize for my voice this week. The Martian death flu has overtaken our house, and my voice, unfortunately, was its first victim. The ingredient list for this one is pretty simple, and the recipe is even simpler. In a medium-large pot, bring about 2 quarts of water, sugar, and the salt to a boil. Cut your fish into large pieces so it cooks faster, and add them to the water. Boil this for about 10 minutes or until the fish is nice and flaky. This is a good time to melt the butter, by the way. Remove the sturgeon from the pot, squeeze a little fresh lemon juice on it, and then brush it with the melted butter. Serve the remaining butter in small warm bowls for dipping. Seriously, that's it. Like Dad used to say, smoked turf is as good as smoked salmon when you ain't got no salmon. Oh, and a big thank you to my awesome neighbors Helene and Bill for providing this amazing sturgeon. It's good to have friends. I like to add a nice fresh Bob and Larry salad, which is what my daughter calls tomatoes and cucumbers tossed with a little balsamic vinaigrette. Thanks for joining me again, and be sure to pick up a copy of my book, The Home Chef, Transforming the American Kitchen. It's full of professional chef tips and tricks for taking your cooking to the next level at home. See you next time. This is Chef Perry.